Yeah. Alright, we got the TriStar. This is a semi-automatic gas-operated 12 gauge. I got 6 rounds loaded up. And what do we have here? Just let them know what we were working with.
Sig M4.
It's the Sig M4 with, you know, more than just a couple of mods. He's got a scope on it. We're just going to do a little bit of, like, it's a gas-operated semi-automatic rifle. So we're going to see, he's going to pop off 6 rounds pretty quick. And we're going to see if I could pop off the 6 rounds almost just as fast with the 12 gauge. Alright, let him go ahead and try it, and then I'm going to go ahead and see how fast I can do. Just 6 rounds. That was pretty mean. Back on safe. Alright, go ahead and clear that round. That was pretty fast, sounded pretty mean. Alright, let's see if I can replicate that with this 12 gauge. Let's go ahead and take it off safe. This will be the first time I'm shooting it today. So I mean, I might have to try it again to equal that, but let's see what I got. Now, I would be shooting it faster, but having this stiff trigger with this gas operation, because I've got a failure to eject all the way. It's empty. But man, I put them out pretty quick. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and like. I really do appreciate it. LersRecReviews. Yeah.
That's fucking nice, dude.
It's some brass. I had to shoot 20 rounds of brass before I could shoot that freaking steel. Alright, M4 Sig-Sauer. We're going to be shooting a little bit of tannerite. Let's go ahead and see how it works out. I think it went off. Yeah, it went off. It was just a real small charge because it's a ½ pound of tannerite with a couple of jugs of water sitting next to it. Ready to fire. Yeah. That shit was gonna blow. That's why we do this. It's a lot of fun. Look at this smoke cloud we created just linger in the woods. Look like something off The Walking Dead. Oh yeah, tannerite. That's where it's at down here in the south. Alright, we got the Sig-Sauer M4. Let's pop off some rounds. Yep. Safety going off. The kick is so nice. There's like no kick to it. Let's pop off about 3 shots. Oh yeah, it's real loud. But man, it's so sweet. You got that modded grip on here. It's real thin. Easy to grab, easy to charge and reload. See the round. So I mean, it's real great. Yeah, there it is. Clear that round. There you have it. Now this gun was picked up from Walmart and cycled a lot of rounds through it so far. Buddy of mine's had no issues with it. I mean, he tries to get it to jam, but it won't. It's a great gun. What'd you pay on this? About $1,400 with the ACOG scope?
I don't know. I think it was like 800 gold.
800, less than 800. You can't beat Walmart's price. I know some people try to say their guns aren't all that great, but hey, I'm here to tell you, they've been functioning fine for me. LersRecReviews, thanks for watching, everyone.